Well, hey there, everybody. I just want to do a really quick video. I'm kind of sick right now, but I am making a really good meatloaf that has been passed down in my family for years. And what I do is this is 2 pounds of lean ground beef, 83%, 85% lean. You want the lowest fat content because it gets kind of greasy. I have onion powder in there, some fresh garlic, 2 eggs. I use mixed vegetables. That's the secret. It's a whole meal. I just serve this with baked potatoes, or you can serve it with mashed potatoes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some breadcrumbs to this also. This is not going to be a really long video because I really can't talk. I've got some diced tomatoes that have basil, garlic, and oregano in them. So I'm going to add some of those. And then I have some Hunt's tomato sauce that I'm going to mix in there too, and then put it on the top. And I'm just going to put it in a 9 by 12 baking pan at 375 degrees for about an hour. And when you're done, I'll post what it looks like when it's done because I'm not editing this video. But yeah, really easy recipe to do. You just throw it in the oven, shape it as a loaf, or you can do it all the way across the pan if you want to too. Really easy. Bake at 375 for about an hour. I put some Italian seasoning in there. I put some oregano, some of my black pepper, the coarse ground black pepper, and of course Laurie's seasoning salt that I always use, my favorite. And just mix it all together with your hands, preferably. Don't overmix it. Add about a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs to it. You can add a little bit more depending. You want it to be moist but not dry, but firm enough where it'll hold the loaf, the loaf shape when you put it in the pan. Because what I do is I just use one of these right here. Pyrex dish, that's all. So I'll post a video when it's all done tonight, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.